In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day from Instagram using free traffic. For that, I'm going to take an example of the profile named Fashion Active, and I will show how this profile makes up to $100 to $200 per day very easily. So as you can see, and by the name you might suggest that it's a fashion profile, and yes it is. The main point from the for that profile is that it does not produce its own content. It does not own these any of these content. It only goes to many other profiles, choose the best images and upload in their profile and refer it back to them. Like I will show you in this example that this image is not of her. It's from the Lilith Moon Life. It's from some other profile, but this profile loves this image and upload it in her profile, and the only thing she does, she refers it back, and this way she is gaining up to like 1.5 million followers by just using this simple tactic. And why it's beautiful, because you don't have to create content, and that's where most of the time being saved. Because if you don't create content, you just pick one good image and upload in your profile, get likes, get followers, and that's pretty much it. You can now focus on your marketing and other stuffs and earn money rather than creating content. So now I will show you how you can do it like her, and how you can earn money like $100 to $500 per day, as she has nearly 1.5 million followers. See, I don't think she might be earning less than $500 per day, even per post. So if you really work hard, I am not asking you to get into 1 million followers, but even if you get like 5,000 to 10,000, you will earn like $5 to $10 per post in shoutouts. Then you will start earning money. And once your profile has more and more followers, like if it goes to 100K, you can easily jump your price to $100 per post in shoutouts. So I will show you what are the key things which I look for in a good profile and which people look for in a good profile and when they follow you. So first of all, you show your username, your profile, and your description should say what your profile is about. It should not be like confusing whether you are in fashion or cooking. It should not confuse people. It should be in a particular niche. You should not mix niches. You should only focus on one niche at a time, and this way you will earn enough people to your profile and get more and more followers. For this, try to find username related to your niche. Even have a keyword in your username. This way you will be able to get easily searched in the search result. And this is the name. When you suppose you are registering, you were asked to put your name. Don't write your original name or something. Try to use keywords related to your profile, related to your niche. Like this profile's name is fashion active. So this way, whenever somebody searches fashion, this profile pops up. Like suppose if I do here fashion, now, you can see even if I have written FAS, this profile pops up even at the beginning. So you should have a good name related, having keywords related to your industry niche. Then you should have a good description, because people want to know more about you. They want to know what you do and whether they can tie up with you, whether they can collaborate with you. So you should have a good description. First, in the first point, you should always write what this profile is about. Yeah, because people really want to know what this profile is about. Even they have seen the username, they have seen the image, they have seen the name, but they want to see your description and know more about you. And there's one more point that you should not forget and dare not forget, is that you are ready for collaborations. If you forget to miss this point, then you will be losing a lot of shoutouts because of that mistake. I've seen many people do that. They have tons and tons of followers, but they didn't have these collaborations written down that they are doing shout outs, so they are losing a ton of money because people don't know that you can hire yourself to not hire yourself, hire them for collaborations and promote your product. So like she has done in 3 points, like for inquiries to be featured, credit or remove photo, DM or email. Now, in these points, she told that you can definitely ask me for collaborations and I will promote your product for a fee. And you can DM for that or you can email. It's up to the person which method it takes. So number one, for description, you should describe what's your profile in 3 points. Like she has done in fashion, inspiration, lifestyle, media. In these 3 points, she told that what's this profile is all about. And number two, for a good description is you should always ask them that you are ready for collaborations, and for that you can DM them or you can email them. So this point should, I'm really emphasizing it, this point should be there and you must not forget. And suppose if you have a website, like if you are doing drop shipping or affiliate marketing and have an affiliate marketing website, you can add that too. Now, like this profile does not have a website, so she hasn't uploaded that website, hasn't put the link to it. But if you are doing drop shipping or if you are doing affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend that you put the link down below and definitely write in the description that SSL encrypted checkout. This way, you people will trust and they will visit your website and might buy stuff, because we are in 2018. So people really, but still people are scared about checkout in unknown websites. They might think that credit card, you might steal their credit card numbers. So if you have a website where you are selling products, so this point SSL encrypted checkout will definitely improve your sales in your website. So if you have a good profile and a good website, you will earn money from shout outs, you will earn money from your website. If it's drop shipping, you know how much profit, like 30% to 40% profit margin is there in drop shipping. So that definitely helps. And I'm not just limited to fashion, you can go for even fishing. Let me show you some good fishing profiles. You can see now I am saying that when I type fishing, these profiles pop up. So you should definitely have your username and your name related to your niche, because that definitely helps you to grow. Let me choose this one. Yeah, this man has nearly like 20K followers, and it's, yeah, this also has a website where he sells product. So yeah, it's definitely, you can choose inspiration from him as well, and definitely follow him. The one thing I will advise him that he should add SSL encrypted checkout, because that will increase the clicks on the link and people will start trusting it. So that's the first step to have a good profile. The second step is to find people related to your niche so that you can get content. You don't have to create content, you can get from other people you can use other people content, and all you have to do is just to refer back. Like if you suppose you created a fishing profile, so you found this profile, and if you want to not tag, if you want to post any of these images in your profile, all you have to do just download this extension named downloader for Instagram, this one. This way you can easily download the images. As you can see, there is a button popping up when I'm hovering over the images. So this way you can easily download the image, and whenever you post, all you have to do just refer him back. This way, this man will also don't have any problem, and your following will also increase. So this is an effective strategy, and because it's just you, all you have to do is find some profile, post like 10-15 images per day. I'm asking for 10-15 because I really think that way you will earn followers really quickly. This way you will earn like 1K followers in a like 2 weeks, 1K to 2K followers 2 weeks, and once the ball starts rolling, the followers will increase exponentially after that. So that's the first two steps. Now The one important thing about a good post, is these tags. A good description, like what you are doing, and if you are taking content from other people's website or other people profiles, you should refer back, otherwise they might complain to Instagram. So you should refer back, because they will also like that somebody is promoting them for free. So I will definitely ask you to refer them back. And the second important step to gain followers quickly, is these hashtags. You need to find a good number, like 30 is the maximum you can use. So you need to find 30 good hashtags related to your niche. So for that, I will show you two free tips on how to find great hashtags related to your niche. So for that, my first way of finding hashtags is to find profiles like these related to your niche. Now I came here, I found, okay, this guy is being here, has gone over to 20k followers. So this guy know how to attract people. So this hashtags must be helping him a lot. So I might copy this. I'm I can select a few, I can like visit more profiles related to fishing and see their hashtags. They are really similar. So for finding great hashtags, all you have to do is to click on this blue button. You will find relevant profiles in your niche related to that, and about the research a bit about the hashtags, and what how they write, because and see, this is only a one time effort. Once you find the hashtags, all you have to do is copy paste the hashtags in all your posts and every day. So if you all you have to do is put in one time effort to get the hashtags. So this is one of the steps of finding great hashtags. And my second step, or my second way to find good hashtags, is a website named allhashtag.com. This website is really good if you want to find hashtags, top hashtags, or random hashtags related to a niche. Let me show you. First, you need to click on the top. This will give you this will give you the top hashtags related to a niche. Suppose I did fashion. Click on generate. It's been generating. Yeah. Yeah, now we got the best 30 fashion hashtags. So you can just copy it and see whether this works or not. You can it also recommend some other popular hashtags related to your niche as well. So with the combination of these three tools, like the all hashtags, or by researching in other profiles, you will be getting good hashtags related to your niche that will increase your visibility and uh, gain you more and more followers. So you don't need to worry about buying any tools for hashtags. I know there are many websites which you have to pay to get recommended about the hashtags. I don't recommend you that. All I recommend, just visit some of the profiles, do some research, and find relevant hashtags related to your niche. Or you can go to allhashtag.com and find the related hashtags to your niche. So now you have created an effective engaging post that will gain you more and more followers. Now the third step, which I highly recommend, is to post regularly, like every 1 to 2 hours. For that, you don't have to do it manually. I will suggest you another free tool. The name is Buffer. It has a free plan as well as a paid plan. So for the free plan, you can only connect up to 3 accounts, like 3 profiles, either of your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, any of the 3 profiles, and you can only schedule up to 10 posts at a time. So I know that's a bit limited, but I think 10 are good for you in the beginning. So that's completely free for you. And all you have to do is just take out half an hour a day, schedule 10 posts, find good hashtags, and refer them back. That way, you will quickly earn more and more followers. And if you do great, you will continue gaining followers quickly, and that would be it. And one more strategy which I like to talk about is the follow and unfollow method. I know some people are in favor of it and some are not, and I'm leaving completely up to you whether you want to use it or not. For that, there is a paid tool. I'm not affiliated by it. Follow Liker. This tool is good for you to follow and unfollow, but I highly recommend that you don't use this strategy because I don't like it that much, and it definitely affects your profile, your visibility in the advanced stages. So all I ask you to post, to do great post, have good hashtags. If you are getting content from other profiles, just refer it back, and that would be it. Just do some hard work and later you will definitely start earning more and more followers. So thank you guys. That's all for today. Hope you liked the video. And if you liked the video, please like, subscribe the channel because I post these kind of videos regularly. And if you really want to make a great online business from scratch, I highly recommend you this course. It's the $1 Million Passive Income Challenge from Liam James K, and I highly recommend it. And this website explains how you can build the passive income online effectively with very little investment, little to no investment, and that's completely up to you whether you want to invest to increase sales or you can use free traffic. Is completely up to you. And here Liam explains how you can build up to real passive income in just 3 actionable steps, like step 1, step 2, step 3, and has some bonus as well. So I highly recommend you check out this link in the description below. And if you want, you can give me some feedback as well, how you like it, and if you have created a good online business, you can share down below. So thank you guys. Hope you liked the video. Thanks a lot. And by the way, Merry Christmas.